Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device and plan are ready. Check that your phone model supports the 5G bands used by your carrier, because hardware limits determine coverage. Next, make sure you have an active 5G compatible plan and that your ZIP code shows carrier 5G service. This avoids wasted troubleshooting. Once done, install the latest OS update, then open cellular settings and switch network mode to 5G or 5G Auto. This enables the radio and begins network registration immediately. Once registered on the carrier, you configure and optimize. In Settings, select 5G or 5G Auto and then toggle airplane mode briefly. This forces the modem to rescan and can switch you into 5G bands. If you still do not see 5G, check the carrier APN and SIM profile. Sometimes a new eSIM or carrier firmware push is required, so request an update. For speed, position the phone near windows or outdoors for Wave. Otherwise, Sub-6 offers better building penetration and stable coverage. To finish, validate performance and handle problems. Run a speed test and a signal monitoring app to confirm you are on 5G and to compare latency and throughput versus 4G. This shows whether you are on Wave or Sub-6. If registration fails, reset network settings or reinsert the SIM. An eSIM reprovision or carrier ticket often fixes provisioning errors. Lastly, if signal remains weak indoors, ask about carrier boosters or a compatible external antenna. These improve reception when tower distance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.